So guys, itong panonoorin natin ngayon at magre-react tayo dito sa video na ito. Ito yung video ng isang vlogger na si Adventure Elliot. At makikita niyo po ito sa YouTube channel niya. Naghahanap siya ng mga mandurokot o pickpocketers. Ito po sa Europe. At ito nga pong lugar na sa Madrid nila sinubaybayan itong mga mandurokot na ito. Panoorin po natin kung paano niya sinundan at nahuli o hinuli ang mga pickpocketers na ito.
You guys, we've identified three female pickpocketers, and they're playing the victim card. They went to the police. I want to show you guys. Hola. So we have a police there, and they're talking to the police. So we're gonna go catch them and expose them. All right, you guys, let's go. All right, she's getting intense. ¿Qué haces, eh? Carteristas, pickpocketers, these are the pickpocketers right here. Pickpocketers, carteristas, look at their faces. Mira sus caras. We're not stupid, eh? We're not stupid, eh?
¿Qué quieres decir?
Cuéntame por qué robas, por qué te dedicas a robar.
No, ¿quién dice que yo robo?
Tú sabes, tú que robas. Sí, eres una prostituta.
No robo, tío.
They played the victim card. The police know who they are.
Mira, mira.
Carteristas! Vete a tu país, eh? Fuera! So they know they can do whatever they want. Pickpocketers, carteristas, pickpocketers. ¿Qué has robado hoy? ¿Qué has robado hoy? A ver, déjanos ver. So when you guys come to Madrid, make sure you avoid these people. They're professionals, professional victims. Yeah, do you speak English? All right. Why are you here in Spain? I speak nothing. Victims, they're victims, you guys.
Kita niyo po yung lakas ng loob nila, no? Talagang nakikipag-discussion pa sila sa camera. At talagang sila professional pickpocketers. At nakikipag-debate pa sila. Instead na magtago, pero nakikiharap talaga sila sa camera. At napakalakas ng loob ng mga mandurokot na ito.
Me voy para casa, señor. Déjame, por favor.
No, a casa no, fuera de España.
No,
Fuera de España. A
A
ver tu NIE. Let me see your ID. Déjame ver tu NIE, eh? She says that she lives here, this is the country. This is the problem, you guys, in Europe. This is a freaking problem. Like she thinks that covering her face is gonna prevent you guys from knowing who she is. The whole world has seen your faces. When you come to Madrid, avoid these pickpocketers. Avoid them at all costs. So you're from Romania. ¿Qué vienes a España para robar entonces?
Aquí vivo yo.
A ver tu NIE, a ver tu identificación. Déjame ver. They want to speak with him because my buddy here, Javier.
So, ang sabi niya, nakatira daw sila sa Spain, hindi sa Romania. At siguro, nagsisinungaling din sila.
The real champion, he's deaf.
Hay una cuarta persona que está ahí. Ellos roban y se la dan.
¿Qué quieres ahora? ¿Que me pagas tú?
Ladrón, exactamente, sin vergüenzas. The Madrid people, that's it. Say it.
No, vergüenza.
So, nakikipag-debate talaga sila at nakikipag-react ng gusto sa mga humuhuli sa kanila.
Que se vayan a Rumanía, ¿no? ¿Qué opinas de los carteristas? Cuéntame.
Que les pongan una piedra en el escalvar.
Oh, here they go. You can't escape. Elliot.
No soy prostituta, soy gitana y no hago
Carteristas.
So, ito ay iba na naman itong grupo. Pero mga babae pa rin at may mga hitsura, mga mandurokot. So, sa mga turista dyan sa Madrid, lalong-lalo na yung mga Pilipino, mag-iingat kayo at titingnan nyo itong mukha na ito.
Wow. Look it. They even pose as pretty girls. Carteristas, pickpocketers. Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? All of America can see you right now, eh? What a shame. What an embarrassment. I can't believe it. No. She's stealing your phone to do her nails. Check this out. And her hair. Oh my god. Oh. Carteristas, pickpocketers. Would you guys think this is a pickpocketer? Can you believe this? I can't believe this is a pickpocketer. Bye. Go home to your country, please. Fuera. Pickpocketers.
Talagang pinapahiya nila sa mga tao. Ano? Pero parang hindi tumatalab. Titingnan nyo naman, talagang umaharap talaga sila ng husto sa camera.
Mierda! Wow! Can you guys believe this? How does it feel? Carteristas, pickpocketers! Wow! Carteristas! Pickpocketers! Pickpocketers! 10 Pickpocketers! Pickpocketers! Yeah! No.
Don't touch.
Oh, there's three of them. Pickpocket!
Sila pa yung matatapang.
Sorry guys, pickpocketers. Go home. Leave us alone. She has a nice jacket, she has money, she has her nails done. A casa. Yes! That's it. This is your sentence. I sent you to the chair. Pickpocketers. Go home. We don't want you here. So you like to steal, but when you have to face the consequences, this is what you don't like. She doesn't understand English, but that doesn't matter. Carteristas. Aquí. Carteristas. All these tourist citizens are very happy with this. They've been applauding us. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? They're not from Spain. I'll tell you guys that one.
So, hindi yan mga Spanish. Mga immigrant sila. Hindi natin alam kung saan sila galing, kung mga Romanian or somewhere in Europe.
Victim. What a poor victim. Oh, you guys are so poor. You gotta be careful. This girl, she's objectively pretty, and she's stealing your stuff. Hide your kids, hide your wife. They steal everybody out here. They steal from grandmas, babushkas, sin vergüenza, shameless. 7 minutes of showing your face all over the internet. I like this. Okay. She's the mom and that's her daughter. Yes. Are you kidding me?
So, nakita nyo. Mag-ina pa pala yung nakita nyo na nakaitim at saka naka-beige na mahaba ang buhok. Mag-ina sila. Pareha silang mandurukot.
Just like a joke? Yeah. Oh yeah, she's got gold teeth, you guys. She's got a grill. I'm gonna start calling her Little John. So you guys have to learn a new word. Carterista means pickpocketers. We're both immigrants. There's a big difference though. I work, I don't steal, I have values. I want you guys to realize that Romania.
So, sabi niya, parehas na silang immigrants. Tsaka yung kumukuha ng video si Elliot. Ang lalakas pa ng loob, magsabi na parehas silang immigrants. Kinukumpara pa niya yung sarili niya doon sa kay Andrew Elliot.
Look at they're young. You guys clean houses. Don't touch my camera. Go home.
So, ang ginawa ni Elliot, sinundan niya pati doon sa train. Parang pinapunta niya sa train para umuwi na. Wala na mga choice itong mga mandurokot na ito kundi umuwi. At tingnan mo, galit na galit sila.
Awesome. They basically tell the taxi drivers not to pick them up because they're trying to get away in taxi or in the metro. We're not letting them go on the metro nor the taxi. The police now are checking their documents. And you know what's crazy? They actually seek refuge from the police as victims. I can't believe it. And you know, in Spain there's a law where I can't show the police face or anything. But yeah, the police are right here.
So actually, dumating yung pulis. Kaya lang, ang problema, wala raw ebidensya. Wala silang ebidensya na nakikita para hulihin nila yung mga mandurokot na ito. Kaya no choice, pakakawalan nila.
That's a shame. That's a shame that they can't detain them, arrest them, and put them in jail or deport them. But that's not really how the laws work in Spain right now.
Also another countries of Europe, France and Italy and so on.
Da igual. Me da igual. There you go. On you go. Get on the train.
So sumakay na nga sa train itong mga tatlong mandurokot na ito. At sinundan pa rin ni Elliot yung tatlo. At nag-warning siya dun sa train.
¿Vale? Tú, ven aquí, déjalas, porque son carteristas. Sí. Carteristas.
Esta de aquí.
Thank you.
So, yun na, doon na nagtatapos. At umuwi na lang yung mga mandurokot. At advice ko doon sa mga turista dyan sa Madrid at sa buong Europe, lalong-lalo na yung mga sa mga Pilipino, mag-iingat kayo sa pickpocketers. Hindi dahil nasa Europe kayo ay walang pickpocketers.